Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Asta Gupta. I'm a consultant dermatologist at JP and Kailash Group of Hospitals, and today I would like to share some tips to prevent premature aging of your skin. Everybody wants to look young and have a healthy blemish-free skin. Exposure to sunlight, pollution, coupled with poor diets and stress, damages the skin and leads to the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Although aging is inevitable, certain anti-aging products and lifestyle changes they can delay the progression of aging. Sun exposure plays a major role in causing aging of the skin. UV radiation, when absorbed by the skin, leads to the generation of harmful products known as free radicals, which lead to collagen breakdown and decrease the hydration of the skin. So using a sunscreen is very important to block the effect of UV radiation on our skin and to allow the skin to repair and renew. A broad spectrum sunscreen having adequate UVA and UVB coverage with a SPF of 30 plus should be used daily. Apply the sunscreen 15 to 30 minutes before leaving for outdoors and reapply it every 2 hours if remaining outside. Antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E serums should be used daily as they protect us from the harmful effects of the free radicals generated by sun exposure. Vitamin C has been shown to improve hydration of the skin and improve the texture of the skin. Although a variety of vitamin C preparations are available in the market, not all are effective as vitamin C is easily degraded and may not be absorbed adequately. Moreover, certain preparations of vitamin C cause dryness and irritation and are not suitable for sensitive skin. So you should consult your dermatologist to help you choose the right product according to your skin type. Vitamin A or retinol and their derivatives are the most commonly prescribed and the most effective anti-aging creams. Retinol basically increases collagen production, increases hydration of the skin and reduces pigmentation. Retinol is preferred over other products as it causes less irritation. The results are usually slow and may take up to 3 to 6 months to become evident. Besides retinol-based creams, chemical peels containing high concentrations of retinol, such as yellow peel, can be used to decrease pigmentation and photoaging. They have an advantage of acting faster and being less irritating and required only fortnightly or once a month. Avoid hot water and harsh soaps for washing your face as they may lead to dryness. Moisturize your skin regularly and use a ceramide containing moisturizer as it increases the hydration of skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, giving a more youthful appearance to the skin. It is advised to stop smoking as smoking greatly accelerates the aging process by increasing the free radical formation, leading to wrinkles and a dull sallow complexion. Also, alcohol intake should be reduced as it causes dehydration and damages the skin, leading to aging. Exercise regularly as it increases the blood circulation, boosts the immunity and leads to a youthful appearance of your skin. Increase the intake of foods which contain natural antioxidants such as amla, citrus fruits and spices as they delay aging. Decrease the intake of sugars and refined carbohydrates as they have been shown to accelerate aging. To summarize, I would like to say that although aging is inevitable, using sunscreens, vitamin C and retinol-based products can go a long way in delaying the aging process. It is important to remember that the choice of the product depends on your age, the degree of photo damage and your skin type, and you should consult your dermatologist before starting any anti-aging product.